In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid toll roads in Waze. If you're trying to save money on your drive or simply prefer routes without toll booths, Waze makes it easy to adjust this with a quick setting. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each screen means, and share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect once the change is made. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your map and current location. All the changes we're about to make happen right inside the app, so there's nothing else you need to download or set up. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This opens Waze's main menu, where you can access your profile, saved places, and all the app's preferences. From here, tap the settings option, which is the gear icon. This is where Waze keeps all of its customizable features. If you haven't explored this area before, it's a good place to remember for future adjustments, like changing voice guidance or map display. Inside settings, select navigation. This section controls how Waze plans your routes and what it prioritizes. You'll see several options related to route behavior, and this is where you can fine-tune how the app guides you. Now find the option labeled Avoid Toll Roads and turn the switch on. When this is enabled, Waze will prioritize routes that steer clear of tolls whenever a reasonable alternative exists. Keep in mind that avoiding toll roads can sometimes add time or distance to your drive, especially in areas where toll roads are the fastest connection. If Waze can't find a suitable route without a toll, it may still show you the best available option and indicate where a toll might be involved, so you can make an informed choice before you start driving. That's all there is to it. You've told Waze to keep toll roads out of your route planning. If your priorities change later, say you're in a hurry and don't mind a toll, you can return to the same navigation screen and toggle the setting off just as easily. Thanks for following along. With Avoid Toll Roads turned on, your navigation will align better with your preferences and budget, giving you greater control over your driving experience. Drive safe and enjoy the trip.